If we want to find the area of this shaded region, we have two rectangles. So we're going to have to do our larger rectangle minus the smaller rectangle. All right, so my larger rectangle is my 8 by 10. So we're going to call it rectangle 1 is going to be, you're going to do base times height. And in this case, my base is 10 and my height is 8. So you get an area of 80. For rectangle 2, that is my 5 by 8. So rectangle 2 is equal to my base of 8 times my height of 5, which gives us an area of 40. And to find just the shaded area, we're going to do 80 minus 40, which gives us 40. And they gave us feet as the units, so it'll be 40 feet squared.